No sooner had she stepped outside it started to snow. A, then B, when C, but. Scarcely had I reached the station the train departed. A, when B, then C, then. If he earlier, we could have caught the flight. A, left B, had left C, would leave. He looks as though he all the answers. A, knows B, knew C, had known. Not until yesterday the truth. A, he admitted B, did he admit C, had he admitted. The more you explain, confused I get. A, more B, the more C, much. I suggest that she earlier next time. A, arrives B, arrived C, arrive. It's high time you more responsibility. A, took B, take C, have taken. Neither of the solutions acceptable. A, are B, is C, were. Not only the teacher but also the students surprised. A, was B, were C, is. If only I harder in school. A, had worked B, worked C, would work. Little how dangerous the road was. A, he knows B, does he know C, did he know? I'd rather you now than later. A, come B, came C, had come. Such his fear that he couldn't move. A, is B, was C, were. Each of the players given a separate locker. A, was B, were C, have. The manager insisted that he again. A, tries B, tried C, try. seldom dash such a thrilling match. A. I watched. B. Have I watched. C. I have watched. I wish I dash more patient. A. Am. B. Were. C. Had. Had you told me earlier, I dash helped you. A. Will have. B. Would have. C. Would. Neither she nor her brothers dash attending. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. He walked in, his face dash with confusion. A. Filled. B. Filling. C. Fill. I prefer tea dash coffee. A. Over. B. To C. Than. This is the man dash book was stolen. A. Who. B. Whom. C. Whose. The number of cases dash increasing. A. Are. B. Is. C. Have. The police dash already arrived. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had. The committee dash divided in its opinion. A. Is. B. Are. C. Has. By the end of the year, she dash completed her degree. A. Has. B. Will have. C. Would. The house, along with the garden, dash sold. A. Were. B. Are. C. Was. Everyone, including the kids, dash ready. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. If he dash told me, I would have helped. A. Has. B. Had. C. Would. I didn't see anyone, dash I. A. Did. B. Didn't. C. Do. She's better at math than dash is. A. Me. B. I see, myself. rarely seen such chaos. A, I have B, have I C, had I. The teacher asked that he quiet. A, B, B, is C, was. He talked as though he a millionaire. A, is B, were C, was. This is the best movie I seen. A, have ever B, had ever see, ever have. We'll wait until he back. A, comes B, came C, will come. You had better now. A, leaving B, leave C, left. He insisted on alone. A, to go B, going C, go. She denied the vase. A, breaking B, break C, to break. I look forward to you. A, meet B, meeting C, met. He is used to late at night. A, work B, working C, worked. He made me it twice. A, to do B, doing C, do. I had my car yesterday. A, repair B, repaired C, repairing. You must your homework now. A, be doing B, do C, have done. He is fond of poems. A, write B, writing C, to write. Despite tired, he kept working. A, to be B, being C, B. I'd rather now. A, to go B, gone C, go. Let's not dash time. A. Waste. B. Wasting. C. To waste. I remember dash her before. A. Meet. B. Meeting. C. To meet.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.